The Ulta Ultimate Mascara Sampler Kit is available now for $24. It does retail for $88 with 10 mascaras to elevate your lash game. I think that's a really good deal. You know, for me, it takes me forever to go through a mascara, and you should toss them out every 3 months. So, yeah, to me, this one sounds like a really, really good deal. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Unlock the endless possibilities of stunning lashes with our Ultimate Mascara Kit. From volumizing to lengthening, curling to defining. Discover the perfect mascara for every occasion. Elevate your lash game effortlessly and make every flutter count. So the kit will include an Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. That's one of my favorite, you guys. It's 0.40 ounces. Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Deluxe Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara, 6 ounces. Lancome Gliss Booster Deluxe 0.13 ounce. Lancome Lash Idol Deluxe Lifting and Volumizing Mascara 0.08 ounces. L'Oreal Voluminous Black Mascara 0.15 ounce. MAC Stack Mascara Deluxe 0.1 ounce. Milani Highly Rated Anti-Gravity Mascara 0.39 ounces. Polite Society Travel Size Greatest Lashes of All Time Legendary Volume Lift and Length Mascara 0.2 ounce. Robain Euphoria Famous Mascara 0.06 ounces. Tarte Deluxe Mannerism Mascara 0.06 ounces, as well as a cosmetics bag. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.